So, good morning to everyone. My name is Lovely Kumari, and today we have a debate between India versus other countries. And because of some certain reason and the main problem that India have, that's why today I'm in the favor of foreign countries. Do you know India is the third globally dirtiest country in the world? If I round around the street side of the India, even in the big cities, you will find the garbage line here and there. I mean everywhere. If I'll talk about the main problem, it is unemployment in the India. Do you know in India, if I'll talk about the population, 1.46 billion is the population of India. But if I'll talk about how many people are jobless or unemployed, do you know 54.6% of 6 million% of the India are unemployed. Is it really thing? Do you know this creates a main problem for the I can say that this create the problem that consider the India the poorest countries in the world. Do you know 234 million in the India the people are considered as a poor guy. Yes, guys, today I'm talking about such a country whose name start with Ma, but still that country is the dangerous countries for the girls. Why? Why only in this country the girls is being tolerated? Why only in this country the girls are being teased? Why only in this country the girls are being discriminated? Thank you, guys.
Hello guys, today is a debate between the India versus the foreign country, and in this debate we discuss about the what is the loopholes in our country and what is the problem in our country, and we are comparing from the other foreign countries like America, you can see the foreign countries and the our countries and Indian countries. We compare and we see the what is the loopholes in our country and how to solve this problem and discuss about the children's, and through this debate we try to find out the what the solution, and we also find out the what is the real problem in our education system. We talk about the what is the problem in a politician, why the other countries are developing day by day, or our country is going in the downsides. We are focusing on the economy. Our country is not developing too much because we are comparing from the we are comparing from the China's, we are comparing from the US, yeah, America. All countries are growing, and why our country is not growth? Where is the fault? Where this is a mistake of the our ordinary peoples, means in a Indian peoples, yeah, this is a mistake of a politician, yeah, where is the mistake? Where is the mistake? Where is the problem? We find out through this debate. So now we start through the children's. We try to give our best, and we try to find out what the real problem, and we compare that what is the which type of rules and which type of things are followed, and which type of things are used and followed in a foreign countries, and that their childrens and their foreigners childrens are very intelligent, and nowadays what's happened in our countries, then all the childrens are graduated, he is completed their work, and then childrens are our youngs are not able to earn money. And why the other yes, now we talking recent time what's happened, all the countries like a China's, all the country not China's and the Americas, or all the countries are the developed, he is on ChatGPT, and nowadays this is a very fantastic, and we are focused on that. What's the problem? So now through discuss in this debate we discuss about what the problem, how to solve this, and we discuss about this problem. Are you all ready for this?
Yes,
And
sir.
firstly I want to introduce this group. This is a girls group, and this group is favored to the foreign countries, and this group boys group is a favor to and the Indian countries. And through this debate we try to find out what the solution, what the problem in our country. We compare from the our country and the other country. Let's start, guys. Off. So now guys, start our debate. First I want to give the opinion from the girl side. What's girl side means foreign countries. I want to ask that what's the good things in other countries and what's happening there. First I want to ask from the yes, Lovely Kumari, you give the opinion.
So good morning to everyone. Today we have a debate between India versus the foreign countries. And today I'm in the favor of India. Sorry.
Hold it.
I'm sorry, क्या बोल
यहाँ
रही
पे
है?
एक शॉट देना स्टार्ट.
So good morning to everyone. My name is Lovely Kumari and today we have a debate between India versus other countries. And because of some certain reason and the main problem that India have, that's why today I'm in the favor of foreign countries. Do you know India is the third globally dirtiest country in the world. If we round around the street side of the India, even in the big cities, you will find the garbage line here and there. I mean everywhere. If I'll talk about the main problem, it is unemployment in the India. Do you know in India, if I'll talk about the population, 1.46 billion is the population of India, but if I'll talk about how many people are jobless or unemployed, do you know 54.6% of 6 million% of the India are unemployed. Is it really thing? Do you know this creates a main problem for the I can say that this create the problem that consider the India the poorest countries in the world. Do you know 234 million in the India the people are considered as a poor guy. Yes, guys, today I'm talking about such a country whose name start with Ma, but still that country is the dangerous countries for the girls. Why? Why only in this country the girls is being tolerated? Why only in this country the girls are being teased? Why only in this country the girls are being discriminated? Thank you, guys.
Big level. Yes, pass. You try to give all. Yes. You tell me that Indian teams. You tell me that from yes. Amit, you tell. What's your opinion?
Hello and good morning. Myself Amit Kumar. Today I am here. I'll tell about the what is the happening
Speak
in
a
India.
lot, please.
What is happening in India? The India that is the one of the most beautiful country in the world. If you want to visit the whole world, then first visit the India. There are many things to see in India. If the mobile phone you are using that the electricity that is producer from the coal that present a lot of coal that means 25% of coal that is present in the India. And the the Indian can the India if not anyone if somebody disrespect the India, then the army can do anything with him. So the India is the powerfulest country in the world, and it has a lot of soldiers.
Amit, I want to ask you, as you had told that India is the most beautiful country in the world, who have ranked that? Because you will see in the Google you search, the countries are ranked according to their beautiness, according to their safety reason, and many things. So could you tell me in which ranking, in which number India comes then beautiful country?
Miss, I want to ask the question. According to beautiful means what? There's a very beautiful. Beautiful means according to the education, you can say या फिर face beauty, या फिर cultural beauty. Which type of things you want to tell?
Like means anything he will tell.
Yes, tell.
Like in tradition you will say, tell in tradition, anything. For the education. Because I think so. It's not.
Yes, next. Girl side.
I have to give the opinion.
Start.
Good morning, all of you. Myself, Pallavi Rani from Standard 7. Today I'm here, and my debate topic is other countries. So, according to me, other countries is much better than the India, because you know now, you are agree from this that the India is most polluted country in the world, and I'm agree from this also that other countries are also polluted, but less than the India. And in India, all women's now, if you will visit the streets of India, you will find full of the garbage. Here is garbage, there is garbage, lots of garbage. But you will visit the other countries, then you'll in a dream is also fishes floating. This is the situation of other countries, and these and while the India's condition is too much bad. And And the if we will talk about the girls in foreigner countries, all girls 18 to 70%, approximately 90% girls work for their future and family and earn money also. But in India, you can see all girls is not work for only cook food, this and not only 30%, yeah, 20% girls work for their family and future and earn money.
Wow, big
Thank
clap.
you.
Next boys and boys. Yes. Yes.
Hello everyone, I am Roshan Kumar and my favorite is the Indian country. First, India is the many founder of the many things. He is the many historical places. He is the founder of the yoga. Here is the many spices are the founder and the many food are the founder. And you can see here is the hospitals. The government hospitals are available. Government school for the education and not for government school. The the undercaste, the India also provide the undercaste education scholarship. And the Abdul Kalam is passed with the a scholarship, and he has studied in the from the scholarship. And there the if a scholarship is a bad, then how the Abdul Kalam is become that much big scientist. And here is the many things, and he is a here is a provide protection of the employees. Thank you.
Yes. Next. Next class, Sapna. Yeah, you tell me that what's
Opinion.
yeah. What sort of opinion you try to give? Yeah.
Hello everyone, I
Speak a
am
lot, but
Hello everyone, I am Sapna Kumari from Standard 7. Today my opinion is other country. And do you know in India, day by day, all the person living the India, because here is happening crimes and many things that not good for the girls and boys also. In India, here is crime like murder, kidnapping, rape, and other country they like Japan, China, Denmark. All these are countries are safe for the girls and the boys, because in India here is crimes are happening, and that in other country is not happening, because they know what's the they know how to go higher to other country. And in China you can see that economical things that they are going higher. And in India going in education also, India is going low. And thank you.
big love.
In standard 7, and today I am the favor of the Indian country. And Indian culture and the tradition is the famous all over the world, and many Indian people are providing the service to the many other countries. And Indian people means in life everything is important, but first thing is the humanity. That only have the Indian person, that don't have the other countries person. And in population means sorry, India is the seventh largest country in the world, and it is the first populated country in the world. And one thing I want to tell that recently it was the yoga day, means it at 21 June it was the yoga day. And we all know, everybody know that what is the importance of the yoga. And do you know, in the UN there are 193 countries, and they all celebrate the yoga day. And do you know why they celebrate the yoga day? Cause of the only India has provided them. India don't want to hurt any other countries, but other countries hurt the India. In many years ago, India was known as the golden bird. But why it is not now? Because other countries have corrupted it. If India in India now also, India can corrupt anyone, but corrupt any country, but it don't want to hurt any country. Thank you.
Big love. Yes, next.
So good morning all of you. I am Seema Kumari. I am favor of another country. Indian peoples are anything throw that anywhere and other countries people are throw, but not anywhere. And Indian people are river side is very dirty, and many Indian people have dreamed that I go that country, this country, and now people that telling that no, I this Indian is not good nowadays because there is so much pollution. Thank you.
So good morning everyone. Myself Manish Kumar. I study in Standard 7. I'm the favor of Indian. In India, India is the very beautiful country I know. But in this time, that is the very there's too much garbage because of the people. This is also the problem of the government. Government is this is also problem of the government. As you can see that in earlier time, India is the golden country. And India has a too much wealth. Their condition is too much good. All things are proper. But when when other foreigner country come in India for the visit, they. So should I start again? From the starting, between. As you can see that as you can know that India is the golden country in earlier time, but when the foreigner come in India for the visit, but they are not visiting, they want to rule because India have a too much wealth. His condition is too good, but the other country have no condition is good. That's why they rule in India and stolen everything from the India. That's why Indian condition is now is bad. And there's a as you can see that India found a now aeroplane. You know who is founder? Indian people found a aeroplane. Founder of the many type of things that found the India. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Suman Kumari. I am favor of other countries. You can see the education system of India. Here is only all the children are criming. They don't try to understand. But in other countries, you can see they teach in which their interest they want, what they want to become, and they study. And in India, there is not too much of a skilled person. But in other countries, you can see mostly people are independent. Mostly peoples are independence. They focus on what they want to do, on their interest. But in India, anyone told that you should become this, then he will studying like the criming only. But and you can see the politician of India. They also tell before the vote. They tell big things. And but after vote, what happened? Nothing. They do nothing. Why? Because the politician of here is war. But in other countries, they think about their country. And you can see the cleanness of other countries and of India. Thank you.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Roshan Kumar. My topic name is India country. India country is so good of other country. How you know past generation India is so good, but past time India is
You do action from this side and move on.
India is generation. India is so good other country, but British come India and rule over the country and over the country, and Australian the
Good morning, all of you. Myself, Sani Kumari. I was in Standard 6. Now I'm going to tell about other countries. As you can see, that's other country like Japan, China, and nowadays Indians they tell about China's very bad. They are eating these and these all. But ever you seen that how much they are developing? In Japan is too short and too small country, but its cleanness and its developed too much. And about the humanity, what the humanity, if in India, if any person's animals come in its other house, they started to fight with each others and about its politicians. Politicians after voting, the politicians tell that I will do this, I will do this, and after giving them after that they give the money, and after Indian peoples they don't see that that person is good or bad. They give only vote that person who give that person to money. Thank you.
So Roshan, as you are told about the humanity in the India, okay? You are thinking that all the peoples are thinking India is a country of culture, tradition, colors. It was not now. If you think it's a country of humanity, why it is the fourth dangerous country in the world for girls? Why this much of crime is happening? Not in other countries.
Yeah. Now you can see many crimes are happening, many things are happening. Then, when some time ago we will go, then there these alls the main route is the other countries people who has make this generation people's what we can say cruel. They other countries people have come. India, okay, I know India was not well educated, but how India was, it was good in its own. But the other countries come and they rule over the Indians and treat very bad to the Indians. Then, if anyone treat you very bad, then what you will do?
I don't think so. You are using logic in this question, because if you will see about the British, they have came so long ago, and if you say they have ruled, then yes, they have ruled. They have taken many things, but they have also given you many things. Like you says, engine, railway engine, and also like this type of many things and development they have given. And all the people are telling, no, Indian peoples have given, Indian people say, yes, most of the peoples have given, but more than that, British have given and also taken. So you can't say that they have just stolen.
What they have given? They have given engine, but
And many things more.
Yeah, many things more. I know, but what India has given? India has given many things to other countries too. Do you know aeroplane? This is made by the Indian people, but the other countries people have stolen the ideas and the many things from India, and they are taking only the means they are popular. Indian people can also popular, but the cause of the money Indian popular can't popular. The aeroplane it has made by the Sivkar Babuji Talpade, but the Wright brothers, everybody know, every and its children with the power of money other countries people have taken it, and every and each children you will ask that who had made the aeroplane, then they will tell Wright brothers. Then they are not know about the Sivkar Babuji Talpade, because cause of the money they don't have money, so he can't be popular.
You are forgetting, I am telling that you are forgetting, you are saying that India has nothing given you. Again, I am telling you, India has given culture, India has given many things. India has, yes, you forget that India is known as a guru. All the Vishwa Guru and India, all the countries, all the foreigners are come here for studying here, and this type of all the countries, all the peoples are coming here for studying in India.
In the Nalanda Vishwavidyalaya.
And Nalanda Vishwavidyalaya is a very famous, and all the peoples from other countries or peoples come here and study here. Yes. Yes. Say.
It's okay, it was known as the Vishwaguru. But what happened to now? What happened to India now? Yes, I have a question from you. Do you know about the Kalpana Chawla?
Yeah.
Yes, she has been educated from where do you know? USA. Do you have any answer of this question that it was known as the Vishwaguru? But why? But why India is not known as Vishwaguru now?
Because it is ruined by the other country.
What?
It is ruined and spoiled by the other countries.
Yes, that was you. Okay. Like, should I give you an example? Yeah. Like, if you see in Japan, okay. Sorry, I don't remember the date exactly, but that time
a big earthquake has came to Japan, okay? Everything was broken, nothing was left in the Japan. There also you will see till now it is so developed. What happened to India? Yes, that was stolen, but now you don't have power.
Maybe you forget that when India was corrupted by the British and the other countries, from that to now, it is very much developed. Maybe you are not know, but many things and every things are developed in India, and it is now also developing.
Which type of developing it is now? I don't think so.
Try to all the percent. Yes, yes, give.
Oh, if it is the developed country, then tell me, in 193 countries, why India is the in development, in the position, India is in 130th position. Why?
Because if India is the in one third position because of the foreigner country. If when British came here, then they also taken the money also, and they have also spoiled the books, many great books are, and they have burned. And you don't forget that these books have burned in maybe 2 or 3 days still. Then if continuously
2-3 don't know, 6 months, 7 months.
Yeah,
continuously it was burning.
Sha-
Library.
library 7 months. And you have observed one, if I will burn one book now, then 5 minutes
5 seconds.
within 5 second burn, then how many books there was in 7 months? If it was now here, then the India is developing.
Just tell me, Roshan, why you're talking about just British, about the foreign countries? Firstly, see how the government of India is. They're corrupt. They're having the corruption in their own countries.
Yes, pass. Another person. Yes.
Okay, I know that Indian government is worst. Some person are ruling, and they have set the mindset of the Indian person that I am good, I am the best, no one is like me. Yeah, a group of people are ruling, but many other people can also rule. They can, but the mindset of the people is they have said that I am good. You give me vote, and if yeah, I agree that some person are of India don't support the India. So cause of them, our India is not developing.
So what's the reason the India is not developing? Means it's you are just giving the excuses that you don't have answer.
Which type of excuses I am giving? Can you tell?
It's just excuses because many countries like Nepal you will see, okay, and also like, sorry, I can't say every country's name, but many countries such as in the foreign have many difficulties. Like other countries have also got independence after India. There also they are more developed.
But India is also developing.
Where is development? Could you show me in the phone?
Yeah, many person in education system it is also developing.
See?
According to me, you are saying India is developed country, but this is not. India that time Chandrayaan 3, India had launched missile rockets and these alls. But India can't make their soap, toothpaste of and soap. India are using that come from the foreigner countries, not India. It is can make rocket big missiles, but it can't make soap and toothpaste also.
Maybe you are forgetting that the toothpaste of the India are using by of other countries. It is yes, Indian people are using, but the most means the best type of toothpaste and the toothpaste and anything are made in India. The best quality of the things.
But
Yes, next.
Sir,
Next, pass.
But
I wanna,
Give other person. Yes.
sir, you all are telling that all the things that product from the other countries come in India. As you know that the Indian people has gone to the other country and they are making there. 70% of the people are doing job in the other country of the factories.
because they know na why
Because
they
of
are
the money, they don't have enough money. That's why they are going to other country.
Other person. Next. Yes.
they Why they
Yes.
why they are going other countries? They no for earning money. Here is the India. No, India will not support you. No, no. Virat Kohli is also leave this country, and Google, the Sundar Pichai, the CEO of Google, also leave this country because they know the people of here is not educated and not support them. That's why they live here.
I agree with that. I'm giving the I am saying that
Problem is that problem is that here is in India's problem is that peoples are very talented and very educated person are here. Like you are talking about
Yes,
the
sir.
all the you go and see the CEO of a
Sir, may I ask say one
Microsoft and you go and see you go and see the CEO of Google's, and all the CEOs, all the great persons are not living here, and all the peoples are going to abroad because of what truth. Two three things condition. First condition are the peoples are not giving the respect. The person is a talented,
Yeah.
very talented. Firstly,
Yeah,
our
this is the big
peoples are not giving the opportunity. First, not give the opportunity to go up and
Yeah.
go and fly in a sky. First things. And second things, yes, you are talented, you are educated, and you are educated. Then also peoples are not giving the respect. You go and see the in our countries what's happened. One mukhia in a village, and second things are one in a you go and see the one is a mukhia, and second things one is a doctor. I am comparing two things. Firstly, I am talking about the one mukhia, and second I am talking about the one doctors. You go and see the peoples whom given the respect. You go and see, or you have observed that peoples are giving the respect of the not doctors. Doctors is a more educated from the
Mukhia.
mukhias, and that's also peoples are not giving the respect and the values, and firstly respect money. And second thing, third condition, what's like you are talking about the Virat Kohli, and we are talking about the Virat Kohli and the Sundar Pichais, and all the peoples are shifted in other countries because of that. Because of that's what's happening here now. Firstly, I have told that firstly condition is the money, but peoples are not giving the that much of money, and other countries are giving the more money from the Indias, more than the Indias. And second things, not giving the respect. And thirds, we are talking about that here is a country is a very polluted country, and
Yeah.
because of the all the foreigners and all the good miss Virat Kohli has shifted in London. Why? Because Virat Kohli has seen that here is what the condition of our country is a polluted area, and all the polluted area we are destroying our life also, and we are destroying our generation, upcoming generation we are destroying. That's why people are shifting in another area. Yes, I agree that in Indian peoples are lots of talented. I am again that in other country has a demanded of the Indian peoples, because Indian peoples has a two three things more. Firstly, intelligence and the mental power, all the things. Yes, I this is question. And second things I want to ask from these sides. Yes, you are saying that you are telling that the abroad countries, your foreign countries are very developing, like a Japan, the China's, and the go. But I think that firstly you have to think that in a India's, and you think that in a Indians peoples are giving the more opportunities or freedom easily. Yes, you can see that you can tell about anything you want to tell about the our governments, but other countries you're not allowed to tell about the any countries and any politicians.
Yeah.
Yes, this but I am talking about the
They
Jack Ma.
too hard
Jack Ma is a very powerful and very a big entrepreneur in China. And then what's happened? China is yes, I know that China is a very developed in technology and all the things. But one condition that peoples are not freedom there. Because of that, peoples are not freedom there, because anything you said about the politician, that politician you kidnap you. And what's happened, one time that people's Jack Ma has giving the advising the peoples, and by mistake he said about the politicians. And then also they maybe 2019, and then the Jack Ma has kidnapped, and he is not seen in his social medias, and interviews had not given. Because of that, the Indians means in a China as a politician has a ban. You can say that kidnap him. He's forcing him. Miss, you have in other countries you have not opportunity to give the opinion easily. Understand? Miss, you are controlled by the
government.
Yes, next continue the debates. Yes, and try to one things you try to go. Try to in this debate you try to all the and every person involve this. Yes, pass from this. Yes,
Risu wants that.
Chris Vidal. Jaldi, come on. Question asking.
India is very cultural and traditional country. You worship gods. You worship the gods. But on the name of God, why you cut the innocent animal? On the name of worship, you cut the animals. Why?
Which country who demanded this type of animal? I want.
Okay, I know. I agree that other country demanded animal, but they
Why are you giving the responsibility to the India that India cutted this type of animal?
can I tell? I know that other countries also cut the animals, but first in India, firstly you worship. After that cut, you worship like a god. But in other countries, they cut, they see like a food, yeah, for other products.
Means which type of animal you are saying? I don't understand.
In worship of Navratri, you can say in 8 days we worship girls or gods very beautiful or very precious. But after 9 days, after 8 days, in 9th days, we cut the gods and eat. Why?
I agree with that. That Indian people by the happy they are cutting down that gods.
So you are telling about the this all the miss in India is also cramming like this.
Sir, wait now. Sir, wait now. Okay, I'm agree with that. Okay, sir, wait. I'm going to tell.
One thing you are forgetting that coronavirus, you know that.
Sir, I'm going to tell. Sir, wait now.
China's and Chinese people. Yes, we are also.
Sir, but they
Sir,
are
wait
using
na.
like a food. But here is food present. But
What
then
food? There
also
is
they
a
are
food
good.
present.
Sir, wait now. Sir, I want to say that. Sir, okay, I agree with that. The Indian people is.
Yes, yes.
I want to agree that Indian people is cutting down the god. Okay, you are not seeing the China. Many other countries they are cutting the dogs.
Animals.
Pig, dog, which here is also we are also worshipping the cow. We are not cutting the cow, but the other country.
How you can say that cow is not?
Yes, I am asking you about one thing more. You are telling
Sir,
that
we
we are
are-
not cutting the firstly
Sir,
beef.
sir, I
Beef
want
is
to
you know the beef is exported our country is the highest level. Means most of the beefs meat are transported by the our country.
Sir, this is demanded by other countries. So other countries.
To say in this time you can say any case has happened, but because in this time government make the rule very hard. No, sir, that is banned.
Government is also involved in this. Government
Yeah,
is also involved because governments have to take the test and get money. And governments government want now that I will ban the beef meat, Miss Guy that easily government has banned. But government is involved in this matter, and government is involved. And government want to kill, and because of that.
Sir, I know. Cause of the government, our India is not developing. Everything and all the crimes are happening cause of only a group of people, government. And if our government would be replaced, then many things are means according to me. If our government will be replaced, then many things. Our India will very become developed, and many things will develop in India, and many bad things will be banned in India. Cause of the government, it is happening. It's in this we all are innocent, but the main cruel is the government. From where?
You are innocent.
Yeah, we can say cause of the government it is.
Pass the marks. Yes, you tell Amit. Tell. Yes, ask questions. Yes. You haven't discussed about it. Yes.
China country are the more developing, more safety than why the China are not giving the freedom to the peoples, and freedom is the main thing. The people is the in India. Means peoples need the freedom. If you will give safety, yes, this is good. But the most thing that the freedom.
Could you tell which type of freedom you are talking
Take the
about?
mark and then give them.
Everything.
Which type of freedom you are talking about? If you says about freedom, na, then India also don't have freedom. Okay.
We have freedom. Like
Okay, wait. You have freedom. Can you go to Hazaribagh alone?
Yes. Yeah. You can, and many girls go and many boys go.
No, parents will allow.
Yeah.
No.
Really?
No.
Your parents is not giving allowed to you go to a school.
Then, sir, it depends upon percentage. Most of the parents will not allow.
No.
Acha, you are telling that most of the parents are not.
If you are in bad category, then which parents want to go to alone in Hazaribagh?
I'm just giving an example
we are
like
also-
this.
we are-
That
we are also giving the example.
as example, I am taking that you don't. We also don't have lots of freedom. If I tell you, tell to your parents, I don't want to become doctor. I want to take in arts. What you will do? Your parents will. Your parents will not.
We want them.
Your parents will not. Your parents will not. Not allow your parents.
But if our mindset is set, then no one can stop us.
You can stop because our mindset is low.
No one can.
Do you know in India 1.9 million of the students has been committed suicide? Why? Because of the study pressure.
No, this is only for this reason, not use other things also.
No,
you
sir,
are-
You can't blame to study
Because
only.
of the study
If the
pressure,
student
because
will
of the
not
family
study-
pressure.
If the student will not study, okay?
Take the mic, yes.
If the student will not study, then this is the problem of the India.
Yes, because they are the children of India.
This is, I want to say that this is a problem of India because you are not giving this type of opportunity. You do not give this is the
Sir,
Government.
India give them the opportunity, but they don't want to study. Then what's the problem of India?
Achha, India is giving the opportunity. You go and see the how many medicals in the college, medicals college in India. Go and see.
Sir, okay, I agree that India not give the opportunity. Indian people are not supportive. Then who make them unsupportive? Can you give me the answer?
What would again repeat it?
Their own parents.
No. Who have
They all
who have made them unsupportive? The Indian people who have made them unsupportive.
Their society and their parents.
Yes,
the exact answer.
If Indian
Yes,
are
this is exact
unsupportive, then it's their problem, no? Why you are asking
Still, again, we are going in another direction. Again, next, ask the question from next questions. We have research all.
Yes,
Shall Roshan question
Because the
So
light is
could
not
I tell her?
of this mac tomorrow. Hello guys, tomorrow we again continue this debate. And now let's about you all say tata, bye bye, see you again guys.